Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. We will start the study for shadow and light right now without additional descriptions. I will add here my reference image, which is actually my palette when it comes to this type of drawing. And just for your easy access, you can find a link to Google Drive where you can find a lot of materials that I did for this. Also a list with all the shadows. What I would like to do first of all, let's make the background just for our thing, just not to have like a very simple white background. Let's try to make a beautiful background and be sure to select another layer for this. Let's make a bigger. I would like to be pink because why not? Today I'm feeling pinkish. And now let's start with the skin. You can choose whatever the color you want. I also provided you with how to add this type of shadow in the link. And now we will start with the basic color. I like to just make basic background. I'm trying to make this video quite short, not to lose a lot of time, as you can do also the rest of the study alone. So yeah, I took this palette on the internet and we can use it here. Okay, if we go over, we can just select this and delete some extra. Mm. Brush present, let's make it smaller for the ears. We will focus on the hair after. Okay, so now let's do the hair also just for our peace of mind. And what hair should we bring? Make her blue hair. Okay, just to switch things up. In the materials I prepared for this, I prepared you the girl with pink hair, and you can also see how the shadow will come. Would be recommended to make the hair in a different layer, but right now it's we will just be studying the shadow and light. And as I told you, I would like not to have this video for 1 hour. Okay, and now let's select some shadow color. So we select this. Let's go for this one maybe. Make a new sheet. And for this type of thing, I would make the the brush a little smaller just for additional control. And this is my favorite type of shadow. No, I don't like this. We need to make it more darker. Okay. This type of shadow is my favorite. And for this side, we will make it a little bigger. We will go back and redo the eyes, so please don't stress about it. And please remember that here we will always have like a triangle of light beneath the eye. Okay, and then we will have this for the head. You might hear Freya because I think she would like to leave the room. And I don't really like how this went, so I would love to have a little, to make it a little more smooth and to blend it a little bit. Okay, and then we go back to our tools. And of course, yeah, that is Freya. Okay, I think it's a little too dark, but I will choose a different color and maybe just blend it a little bit, just not to be so intense. Mhm. We will go back now and just put this. I would like to also delete some color here, and here it's very important to have this part with some light, and also here. Okay, and now in order to make it beautiful, we will go back and make an additional layer here, and just let's make the eyes. Like to take this. No, let's take this one. A little gray for the eye and color. Mm, okay, I'm not sure why it's not. Oh, okay. Mm, I would love this to be white, of course, but I don't know why it didn't select. Yeah, it's probably also because I'm in trying to hurry this video up, but probably I will delete some scene, and you can also just be kind and just put some break if you want, and you can do it by yourself. Okay, I will do the eyebrows also black. And I will try to do some cute pink lips maybe. And let's select some black. This is one of the things that Krita sometimes does this type of error, but it's something that you can actually live with if you think about all the benefits that Krita has when it comes to digital drawing in general. Okay, and when I like to make some white in the lips here, and basically add some white here, add additional black here, and I would like to smooth a little more here. And now I would love to work a little on the nose to try to contour the nose a little bit. I would like the nose to be a little darker. And also, in order to make it more realistic, I would love to add also some additional highlights here. And everything I will blend it. It will be just small details. Okay, and now the last part, let's try to do something for. Okay, I would like to add also some gray when it comes to the eyes, to make a little shadow here, make it a little more intense, because of course you have shadows here. And for the hair, I just select the hair. I just go to a darker version, and for example, because light is hitting from this, from the right side, we will add the black in the left side of the hair, like this. And we go back to select the lighter part of the hair where the lights hit. Yeah, and do like this. And just in this case, the light will comes from this direction. Okay. And I would like to do a last minute update to the eyes. Actually would like to do more of a black. I will make a new sheet just in case I don't like it. Yep, the eyes weren't so expressive because of the blue. The option that I provided, you have don't have doesn't have a background, so you can choose your own background. And yeah, I think I like it a little more now with this black eyes. And just let's do something to the lips also. You can also use my file just for basic, and you can redo the sketch for you. Basically, this is, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you next time. Bye.